into a new career quickly, Ausbildung is the way to go. If you want to be earning while you are schooling, Ausbildung is the way to go. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to talk about something super important: short-term Ausbildung programs in Austria that can help you get a job so quickly. Someone dropped a comment on the comment section requesting that I should do this video. Today I have decided to do that. If you are looking for work but don't want to spend years in school, this video is for you. Stay with me and I will show you how you can start a new career fast. If you are new here, my name is Oge, a working mom of two living in Austria. And for my old subscribers, I appreciate you guys all. Thank you so much for your continuous support. So, what is Ausbildung? Ausbildung is a type of training program where you learn the skills you need to do a specific job. You don't just sit in the classroom. You actually get to work and practice those skills too. This kind of training is perfect if you want to start earning money so quickly. And guess what? Some of these programs last only 3 months, 6 months, 1 to 2 years. Now, let's talk about the types of jobs you can train for. In Austria here, there are many industries that offer short Ausbildung programs. Here are a few. First, health care. You can become a nursing assistant or work in a doctor's office. Training takes about 1 to 2 years, and healthcare jobs are always in demand. If you open any website, you can always see vacancies all the time. Second, hospitality. If you like working in hotels or restaurants, you can become a cook, waiter, or receptionist and more. Austria's tourist industry is huge, so these jobs are always available all the time. Third, IT professionals. That is information technology. If you are interested in computers, you can train to be a tech support person or junior developer. These jobs are well paid and can be done in a year to 2 years. Fourth, skilled trades like working with your hands. You can become an electrician, plumber, carpenter, and more. These jobs are always needed. They are always looking for them, and they don't require long training. Let's talk about what you will need to start an Ausbildung in Austria. The requirements are simple. These are just basic. For example, if you have finished school, this is great. You usually need to have completed compulsory education. This means you need to have at least a Hauptschulabschluss or Mittelschule. This is just basic secondary school certificates. You don't have it, no worries. Some programs let you start with basic education and still learn on the job. Next up is German language proficiency. To do an Ausbildung in Austria, you usually need to speak German at a certain level. Most programs will require you at least a B1 level in German. This means you should be able to understand everyday conversation in German and talk about familiar topics. But let's assume you don't speak German yet. No problem. You can take German language courses before you apply. Some vocational schools and training programs offer language support just to help you learn before you start. All right, so how do you apply for an Ausbildung program? It is easy. Here is what you can do. First, search online. You can find programs through this website, IMS, that is Austria Public Employment Service. They have a ton of information on jobs and training programs. 2. Berufsschule, that is vocational schools. These schools offer vocational or Ausbildung programs all over Austria. 3. Lehrstellenbörse. They also have offers regards to Berufsschule and vocational training. This is a job portal where companies post available apprenticeships. And at the end of this video, I'm going to leave all links at the description of this video. So, how do you apply for this Ausbildung or training? Once you find a program that you like, you just need to fill out the application. This usually means you will send your resume, that is your CV, school certificates, and showing proof of your German language skills. That is all you need to do. Then, after application, if they select you, if you scale through, they will call you for an interview. Many programs will want to meet you for an interview. So, you will be ready to talk about why you want to do this Ausbildung, why you have chosen this Ausbildung, and show them you are excited about the Ausbildung so that you can convince them to give you a chance to learn. If you are accepted or selected, you will start your Ausbildung. You will spend some time in class and some time working on the job. As you are working on the job, you get paid during the time too. Yes, that is one of the benefits or advantages. After you finish your Ausbildung, it is time to start working. Now, most people get job offers right away after they finish their training because companies often hire their trainees. For example, I know this guy, Max, who trained as an electrician. After his Ausbildung, he got a full-time job right after his Ausbildung ended. Now he is earning a good salary and enjoy his work. Remember, Ausbildung is a great way to learn, earn, and start your career without waiting to apply for a job. Plus, you will have real skills that employers want. To round up on this video, here are a few final tips for you. The first is be ready to learn. You don't need to know everything, no. Ausbildung is all about learning on the job. Do not be afraid. Second, do not be afraid to ask questions, no matter how silly you think the question might be. The more you ask questions, the more you learn. Your trainers and teachers are there to help you. Third, stay positive. Encourage yourself. Even if it feels tough sometimes, just remember you are on the path for or to a stable job. Nothing good comes easy. Just encourage yourself. And that is it. If you are ready to jump into a new career quickly, Ausbildung is the way to go. If you want to be earning while you are schooling, Ausbildung is the way to go. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tips on jobs, on training in Austria. Share this video with family and friends, those that might need it. If you have any question, leave your comment on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.